Hiya everybody. Now this morning, yeah, we didn't do a video yesterday. We haven't done out, so we've not to say. But today I'm helping David. Here's Pat. I'm going to help David do that flashing on that gutter.
You're going to help ladder, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm going to help ladder. Make sure everything's...
So I've got a special job.
What?
See how much of a muck up I can make of it.
Well, Pat says she'll film a bit of it. Yeah. Yes, so I look forward to that.
Who knows what'll happen with Trevor's phone when I get hold of it.
Probably just see my feet or something.
Oh dear.
So, yesterday. I'll tell you what, I'll put a picture up of the switch.
Oh yeah, that's what you were doing.
Well, the downstairs washroom, the switch, it's a double gang switch on it. One for the light and the other switch is for the extractor fan. And for some unknown reason, the switch, the little switch you press up and down on the extractor fan had come out. Fell out, it was broken. So Tracy got a new complete switch and asked me if I could change them over, put a new one on, and I thought, well, yeah, I can do that. It won't be a 10-minute job, that. But when I took the switch out of its housing and looked at it, at the back of it, it was different from the new one. And all the new ones now are all like this one that Tracy's got. And of course the wiring is different. It's all brown. There's no red and blue. It's just brown and black and earth. So it took me ages to figure out how I needed to wire this light fitting. Must have taken us, what, 2 hours? And we're having to watch YouTube vids and stuff. Anyway.
We had to turn everything off.
Yeah, we did.
We're off and on, off and
off and on, off and on, off and on. So anyway, we got it done and it's right. Everything's working again now. So that's what I was doing yesterday.
We didn't video it because you needed your phone lights.
Yeah, yeah.
Have a light on.
I took a photograph at switch, so yeah. Yeah, we had a takeaway curry from the takeaway that's opened up down in Rodley last night.
Yeah. What's it called? Isn't it called takeaway or something?
Takeaway.
Takeaway.
Takeaway it's called, yeah. Yeah, we're all right. We'll probably try them again.
That's the second time we've had something from there, isn't it?
Yeah, we just had samosas and onion bhajis and the chapatis from them last time. This time we've all had different bits and pieces.
Yeah, Tracy was pleased with hers.
She
said
says
it was really nice.
Hers were really nice, yeah. Mine were nice flavour, but pardon me, there were too many green peppers and red peppers in it. Were full of peppers. I don't eat peppers.
But you had plenty of meat in it as well.
Oh, there were plenty of meat in it, and the curry was nice.
The chips were nice.
And I had a chapati.
I had some onion pakoras. They were nice. Oh, a lot of them. I didn't eat them all.
Yeah.
Trudy had a chicken tikka wrap, I think. She said that were nice.
Yeah.
So, and the seems to be different from normal curry takeaways, doesn't it? A bit different.
We think it's Indian rather than Asian, you know, it's because a lot of curry houses.
Yeah.
Well, they could be Pakistan, couldn't it?
Yeah, you don't really know, do you? What?
We call them Indian restaurants. But
Yeah, they could be Pakistani or.
but I think these were Indians.
Yeah,
Mm.
not quite sure.
Yeah, so it's
Very nice anyway.
little bit different.
We enjoyed it.
And I think it depends on which region
They come from. Punjab.
Depending on the menu.
I mean, there's one at end of Farsley, and that's Thai and something else, isn't it? Tiny place at end of Farsley, near that bridal. You know, when you get right to end and you have a turn right to go to roundabout for Asda or left for east.
Yeah.
It's on that just off of that corner at end. There's bridal shop on corner and takeaway on the other side. It's Thai and.
I don't know what you're on about there.
You've never seen it.
I don't know what she's on about.
And opposite's fish shop.
And have we ever had curries from there?
No. Thomas has told us about it.
Oh.
Said it's really nice.
Oh.
And it's the fusion of the two.
Asian fusion.
Yeah, Asian and Thai.
Yeah,
I think his wife's Thai.
We tried that somewhere in Horncastle and we didn't.
Yeah.
I don't think we were too sure about it.
No.
But that's Horncastle. It's Lincolnshire, you know.
Where we're going in a couple of days.
We'll be setting off tomorrow. But I've been to the chemist and asked them if we can pick the tablet. I ordered them on last Thursday. So we're going to pick them up tomorrow at 11 o'clock. So we'll be able to set off tomorrow.
Instead of Tuesday.
Of course, we're starting in Lincolnshire because we've got to go to the dentist on Tuesday. In Brig.
For his tushy.
And then we're going to work our way down to Sussex. Not Sussex, Suffolk. No, not Sussex. Far too busy. Oh, mind you, we don't know what Suffolk will be like.
No.
Apparently the weather's going to pick up during this week. Okay, so that's it for now, and Pat will do a bit of videoing while we're outside. All right, folks.
Yeah.
See you later. Bye.
See you later.
Hi, everybody. I'm gonna put some water in the van. I'm gonna put one of these Milton sterilisers in it, in the water. Just to clean whatever's residue is in there. Just for the first time. I don't do this every time. But I'm going to add this to the water, put it into the van. Because we're setting off on Monday. And I don't think we're going to be able to get water where we're going. Okay.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Right. That's how high we're going. Oh, David's going. Right up to the top of there.
That is really high.
Yeah.
We've got to move that wood. See
That
that wood
wood
there?
there.
We've got to move that back this way, with another piece on top
Yeah.
for the ladder to come up again, so it don't slide.
Yeah. So they've had to open the bathroom window because they're going to put a...
He's plugged as an extension in to plug his heat gun in to heat the bond, tape bond stuff.
Yeah.
He's going to repair it with it. He needs to plug that in up there at gutter.
Yeah. We need to do some weeding, I think.
Yeah, it's bad here.
Yeah.
Right, I'll turn that off for a bit.
Yeah.
Right, it's on.
Oh, that's David right up there. I've got wood fastened at the bottom. And while they've been hard at the work like that, I've been... No. I've been weeding over here, and somehow when I opened the gate to go down and chop a bit off down there, because that's into the canal, I've chopped Tracy's lights in half, which is not good. Got that. So, Pretty Pat strikes again. Can't do a job without making a mess of it. Oh dear, we've got loads of tomatoes. Haven't we? Is this my cup here? Well, you've got it all the way there. Get through that